presented by the Divine Wisdom Mirror.
Human nature is very strange. The thing that he feels he lacks, he starts looking for it the most. But when something or someone is always in front of him, available all the time, then its value gradually starts decreasing. The same rule works in the world of relationships and attraction as well. If you pay attention to someone constantly, react to their every small and big thing, are always there to fulfill their needs, then slowly they start taking you for granted. In the beginning, they feel good that someone is caring for them so much, but gradually all this starts to seem ordinary. This is the human mentality. The value of the thing that is available easily and repeatedly becomes less. This is where a psychological principle works. Scarcity increases value. When something becomes rare or someone's presence suddenly decreases, its value starts increasing in the mind. This is why when you back off a little in a relationship or attraction, the other person suddenly starts realizing your importance. Understand this with a simple example. Suppose you give a chocolate to a child every day. Initially he will be very happy, excited, but in a few days that chocolate will become ordinary for him. One day he may even refuse to take it. But if you give the same chocolate after a week or 10 days, his joy and happiness will increase manifold. The reason is this: scarcity has increased the value. Exactly the same thing happens in relationships. If you call someone all the time, message them all the time, always say, yes, then it gets embedded in the other person's mind that you will always be there. In such a situation, they stop valuing you. But as soon as you reduce your level of attention a little, their thinking starts changing. Now they start thinking, why the sudden change? Does he not care about me anymore? This restlessness is what makes them feel your worth. This doesn't mean you have to ignore them or keep a distance. It just means that you should find a balance. Over-availability and constant chasing in a relationship devalues your value. On the other hand, a little distance and self-respect make you more attractive. Remember, people want the things they don't get the most. When you limit your attention, time and energy, the other person starts to see their true value. This is the point where relationships get stronger and attraction deepens. So the next time you feel that someone doesn't value you, instead of constantly chasing them, take a break. Focus on yourself, value your life, and make your presence so valuable that when you appear, their world lights up.